welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something to be aware about Microsoft accounts starting in the next few weeks. So if you remember, when you do connect to a Microsoft account, most of the time there is a pop-up that would show up like this. It would tell you, oh, do you want to stay signed in? And you could put a check mark, don't show it again, or don't put the check mark, and you could choose no, and every time it would ask you if you want to stay signed in again, or you could choose just don't show again and yes, and you will stay signed in. Now, this is going to disappear because Microsoft has announced that there will be no more question asked about staying signed in or not. And that means when you connect the first time, you're going to be just connected all the time. So where does that cause a problem? If you ever go, for example, on vacation somewhere, if you ever go on a trip overseas and you don't have your own computer and you would like to sign in to your account, say to get your emails of an Outlook account or Hotmail account somewhere else, now you will have to remember that you have to manually sign out because your account will be kept signed in on other foreign computers. Same is if you want to connect to an account on a friend's computer. You will have to remember to sign out because that question won't be asked and it will be automatic. So this is, I think, not a good idea personally. I think the fact that, Microsoft just wants you to stay connected all the time, whatever computer you'll be using, is possibly going to make, some accounts insecure because people won't think about it and will connect. And once they're gone, they think they're disconnected, but yet their account is still being connected and still used on whatever computer it'll be on. So beware of that. Be aware that you have to manually sign off. And a lot of that will happen in the next few weeks, starting apparently mostly in February. But you know what? The good old question of asking if you want to stay connected or not is, I think, a really, really good security, especially if you start connecting from other computers. So be aware of that. Be aware that if you want to absolutely remove yourself on a computer from your Microsoft accounts, you will have to manually sign out, or else it's going to stay there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.